So I'm gonna catch you guys up to speed here. So last week, I got this old engine from my grandfather, and I've been kind of working on it a little bit the last couple days. And I got the spark plug off. I put some oil down in here last night, and then I put the spark plug over here. After I got that in, I was able to spin the engine over, so I got it free to lube up the cylinder. And there is some acorns and stuff in there, so I'm gonna get this head off and clean everything inside and stuff, and hopefully there's no cracked piston or anything. So we're gonna inspect it, and I'll set you guys up on a time lapse. Okay, so we got the cylinder head off, or the head. So when I pull this, good sign, both valves move nicely. So one goes up, one goes down, one goes up. So as I pull that, so everything goes in motion. I'm gonna drain that because that looks a little disgusting, but all in here I took all these bolts off, and this kind of slides over like this, like so, and then that's where the spark plug it goes down to into there. So we're gonna have to see what I can do to get that drained out, and I think that's a piston. I'm gonna have to look that up, so see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, that'll be it for today. I forgot to say earlier that I'm kind of like doing multiple things at once kind of this summer. So like this engine, the cabin, other things. So as far as now, we got this far. This piston moves just a little bit, but not really, so I think I'm gonna have to replace it if I want to get this running. I'm gonna for like a $30 piston or something. And I think next time we're gonna get this off, expose all in there, clean that all out. I did drain all the oil, so it'll be cleaner and all that stuff. So, hey guys, sorry for an abrupt ending. I'm editing the video right now, but I was just trying to get cleaned up. And like I said, you know, probably like a couple seconds earlier in that video, right at the ending there. We do have the cabin series. Mr. Good is busy right now, you know, doing this stuff. He's doing, you know, it's summer for all of us. It's not just summer for the channel, so we're all doing stuff. I'm doing this project, obviously, trying to get the engine running. We have the cabin that we're building. I'm gonna try to make good videos for you guys.